stable at this location. Possible 647E here. Request airwatch attack. Fire on. Core run. Inbound. Overwatch target contained. Head. Going to take a look. Investigating 10-103. Final verdict administered. Sentence delivered. All positions clear. Engaged in cleanup. Sundown 4-6, Judge 14, reporting clear. Sector 17, go sharp. Contact confirmed, prosecute, motion check, all radios, back me up, I'm out. Move along, now get out of here.
Let's concentrate on the task at hand.
Let's go! Here they come!
This way, gang.
I can't get this
Couldn't have put it
tune out
better
of my
myself.
head.
To think, all I used to want to do was sell insurance.
Are we gonna get going soon?
There's a first time for everything. I'm gonna stay and hold down this spot. Shouldn't we be, doing
Here,
something?
patch yourself up.
Good morning,
That's not
and
Freeman,
welcome
is
to
it?
the Black Mesa
That's
Transit System.
one way of looking at
This
it.
automated train is provided for the security and convenience of the Black Mesa Research Facility personnel.
Oh no! I've got my little corner and I'm sticking to it. Here, take a look at this.
I just knew it was gonna be one of those days.
And things were going so well. I don't feel anything anymore.
I'm glad there's no kids around to
I'm
see
not a
this.
betting man, but the odds are not good.
Ready when you are.
Here goes nothing.
Computer protected handling system now activated.
I do deserve this.
Watch what you're doing! Sure, this
Someday,
wasn't part of the plan. This
will all
is
be a
bad.
bad memory. Want to bet?
Go.
Now, where was I? Ah, yes. Well, that's that.
Look out below! Don't tell me.
Now what? Oh no. Oh!
My God.
No! No! My arm!
Oh God!
Get the hell
Good
outta here!
God! Damn! Let me just send a warning to Lighthouse Point, and then I'll come right up and lend a hand. Colonel Odessa Cubbage at your service. And hello to Lighthouse Point.
Finally, change is in the air. Let's go!
You feel it? I feel it. This is bullshit. You better reload. This'll do nicely. Let's even the odds a little. One for me and one for me.
Like that?
Get the hell out of here!
Ah, hello. I'll be right with you. Ah, yes. Gordon?